ginger and jujube, the 97-year-old woman's longevity weapon. Hello, welcome to the Clever Tricks channel. Do you often feel lifeless and tired? Today, I want to share with you a great health-enhancing recipe, the combination of jujube and ginger. This is not only a magical folk remedy, but also easy to make, economical, and especially effective in improving many common health problems. The ancients said, "Eat 3 jujubes a day and you will stay young forever." And that's not wrong. Jujubes contain a lot of fiber, vitamin C, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and powerful antioxidants, which help nourish blood, nourish the skin, and increase energy, so they are extremely loved by women. Ginger is the golden secret to help warm the body, dispel cold air, and increase resistance. When combining these 2 ingredients, you will have a great recipe to help your body stay healthy, youthful, and full of energy every day. Now, let's start preparing the ingredients. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, wash the jujubes. Pour some clean water on it to wet it. Then sprinkle a handful of flour on top P. Use your hands to gently rub the surface of the jujube. Although the jujube looks clean on the outside, it actually contains a surprise inside. The wrinkles on the apple skin retain dust from the drying process, impurities from transportation, and even insect eggs. The flour acts as a professional cleaner, helping to remove dirt and impurities. Thanks to its good absorbent properties, the flour penetrates deep into the wrinkles, easily removing dust, residue, and insect eggs hidden in the skin. After scrubbing, scoop the jujube out and put it in a bowl of clean water. Rinse 2 to 3 times until the water is clear and there is no residue. At this point, the jujube is clean and ready to be processed. Drain in a basket. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, use clean scissors to cut the jujube into small pieces, removing the seeds neatly. When working in large quantities, using scissors makes the job faster and more convenient. The seeds are easy to remove and the apple pieces are even, saving time and effort. Women are especially advised to eat more jujubes because of their great benefits. Jujubes contain a lot of iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which help to nourish the blood, improve circulation, and make the skin rosy and full of vitality. If you often feel tired or have dull skin, eating a few jujubes every day is a simple and effective method to improve your overall health. After chopping the jujubes, put them in a pot. Add enough water to cover the jujubes, about 500 milliliters. Use a spoon to spread evenly. Cover the pot and bring to a boil over high heat. When the water boils, reduce the heat to medium and simmer for about 10 minutes. If foam appears, skim it off. When the water boils, the sweet aroma of the jujubes spreads everywhere. You will see the jujubes rolling gently in the boiling water, gradually becoming soft, supple, and slightly expanding on the surface. Continue to boil until the water has reduced like this. Then turn off the stove and let it cool. Next, prepare the ginger. Take a large, clean bowl, put the ginger in and separate it into small branches for easy washing. Add a little salt and sprinkle some baking soda on the ginger. Then pour clean water over the ginger. Stir well until the baking soda dissolves. Baking soda helps soften dirt, easily removing impurities, sand, and bacteria on the ginger skin. This simple step makes the final cleaning much more effective. Soak the ginger for about 5 minutes. After soaking, use a soft brush or a clean toothbrush to gently scrub the surface of the ginger. When scrubbing, the small dust particles stuck in the wrinkles on the skin will gradually come off. Note that the ginger pulp is warm, while the ginger peel is cool. Keeping the peel intact when processing helps balance the warm and cool properties, making the drink more harmonious. However, if you see that the ginger peel has dark, dry, or wrinkled areas, cut it off with a knife. After scrubbing, wash the ginger thoroughly with clean water. You will see the ginger is bright yellow and smooth, giving off a characteristic spicy aroma. Next, drain the ginger and slice it thinly. Each slice of ginger has a light yellow color and a natural aroma. Ginger contains many vitamins and minerals, along with compounds such as gingerol, which help increase energy and supplement micronutrients. Put the sliced ginger into a blender. Add enough water to cover it. And turn on the blender. As the blade rotates, the ginger is ground and gradually becomes smooth ginger juice. The smoother, the better. Then, filter it through a fine sieve, pressing the pulp thoroughly to extract all the water. This is pure ginger essence. Set aside this ginger juice. At this point, the jujube has cooled. Put the jujube into the blender. Add a quantity of filtered ginger juice, about 2/3 of the jujube volume. Add a quantity of filtered ginger juice, about 2/3 of the jujube volume. After a while, the jujube mixture is smooth, silky, and sweet. This is the perfect combination of the sweetness of the jujube and the spicy warmth of the ginger, making you want to taste it right away. Set this mixture aside. Next comes the most important step, where the magical aroma and flavor of the ginger and jujube really sublimates. Stir the remaining ginger juice to dissolve the ginger starch that has settled at the bottom. After a while, the ginger starch will settle, so stir again. Pour this concentrated ginger juice into the pan. Add sugar to taste. If you like it sweet, add more. If you like it light, add less. Turn on high heat. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is evenly heated. As the heat increases, the ginger and brown sugar water will start to boil, giving off a warm, aromatic scent that spreads throughout the kitchen. It's so pleasant and warm. Stir constantly until the syrup boils and the sugar is completely dissolved. Once it boils, reduce the heat to medium. Gradually, the ginger-brown sugar mixture will thicken. When it reaches the desired consistency, pour the jujube puree into the pan. Immediately, the sweet aroma of the jujube will spread, blending with the warm, spicy taste of the ginger. Continue stirring over medium-low heat. This is the thickening step, very important to create a smooth mixture. To quickly thicken and smooth the mixture, you need to stir constantly so that the steam escapes evenly and the flavors blend perfectly. As the mixture heats up, it may splatter, so wear gloves to protect your hands from burns. Keep the heat low to avoid scorching or burning, which will make the mixture bitter and ruin all your efforts. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens, is glossy, and sticks to the spoon like this. Turn off the heat and let it cool in the pan. As it cools, the flavors will blend and mellow, creating a warm, rich sweetness. Are you eager to try this delicious and nutritious dish? When completely cooled, prepare a clean, dry glass jar, free of oil or water, and add the ginger jujube mixture. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So you have a jar of delicious and healthy ginger jujube jam. Close the lid and store in a dry place. The mixture can be stored for up to a year. When using, just scoop a spoonful. Mix with hot water and stir well to dissolve. Drink while still warm. This is the perfect natural drink for health all year round. In the summer, it helps cool down, reduce humidity, and bring a cool, gentle feeling. In the winter, it is a miracle drug to keep warm and increase vitality. A spoonful in the morning helps the warmth spread from the stomach throughout the body, warming the hands and feet. Especially beneficial for women during menstruation, helping to reduce pain and make them more comfortable. Drinking every day helps increase energy and improve immunity. If you like a mild taste, you can dilute it and adjust the sweetness to your liking. always have a jar of ginger jujube jam at home. Whether it's a rainy day or a cold winter, you can easily make yourself a warm and nutritious cup. It's simple, convenient, and pleasant. Try it. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please like and share with your relatives and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video.